This is a 2007 Acura RL. I'm trying to show you how to replace this fog light right over here. I already did the job, but I'm going to show you what to do because I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so I had to figure it out myself. This is the old one, as you can see, the fog light unit in an 07 Acura RL. This is going to be the same for a 2005 through 2008 model Acura RL. So this one has a crack in it, so I had to replace that. So it's pretty simple. Got to take out the cover up here. Switch is held on by these push clips. It's going to be about 5 of them right here. You could just take that off right here. Once you get on the bottom here, you know, it's probably helpful if you take the wheel off. I didn't want to do that, so you got a 10mm screw up here on the top. You got another 10mm here, and you got to take 2 more clips out, like those push clips that I mentioned. And then all you do is just push this off. This is basically a, you know, like a clip-on type of deal. So just push it off, pull it off carefully, not to break any of the tabs. And then you have this piece right here which goes up in the front. So once you pull it off, you just push it out of the tabs. Quite simple. Just push these tabs down and it's gonna pop right out. Once you do that, then it's gonna expose the screw, which goes right here. It's gonna be this 10mm right here. This is gonna actually hold this in place from the inside. Then it's gonna go in the inside, and this is the top screw on the right here on the bracket is gonna go right up here. So all in all, you're looking into 3 different screws that holds this thing in place. It's quite simple. Just remember to put it the way. Okay, guys, have a nice one.